Robert Kiyosaki recommends buying 1/10 of a Bitcoin, backs Michael Saylor. Andrew Throuvalas last updated, March 25, 2024, 14:18 EDT 1-minute read. Best-selling author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, urged followers on Monday to purchase Bitcoin BTC ahead of the April halving event. In a post to Twitter, the author promised to buy 10 more BTC before the start of April due to his conviction around the event, which will cut the rate at which new BTC is produced in half. Get Bitcoin while you can, says Robert Kiyosaki. If you can't afford a whole Bitcoin, you may want to consider buying 1/10 of a coin via the new ETFs or Satoshis, wrote Kiyosaki. If the Bitcoin process works as designed, you may own a whole Bitcoin by the end of this year. Bitcoin's price surged by over 3.5% to $69,700 on Monday, carrying momentum from its weekend rebound from below $64,000. This followed a massive pullback for the cryptocurrency over the last 2 weeks as Bitcoin spot ETFs, which have proven remarkably successful since launching in January, suffered unusually large outflows of over $800 million last week. Kiyosaki said he expects Bitcoin to reach $100,000 by September, not merely because of the ETFs, but because of the weakness of the US dollar. In that spirit, he recommended silver coins and gold as the next best buys for those who are not into Bitcoin. The smart money knows the U.S. is the biggest debtor nation in the world, he said, citing high consumer and small business debt, domestic bank troubles, and a world on the brink of war. Stay away from cash. Bitcoin is often compared to precious metals by proponents who view its limited supply of 21 million coins as a defense against the debasement of the U.S. dollar, whose increasing supply devalues the currency against more scarce assets over time. Kiyosaki echoed the words of MicroStrategy Executive Chairman Michael Saylor, who said in a recent interview that those who save in cash or fiat currency are best labeled as poor. Please start acquiring gold, silver, Bitcoin if you already have not started, said Kiyosaki. Please don't be a poor person saving fake money. According to blockchain data, there are currently over 4.5 million Bitcoin addresses holding over 0.1 BTC, as Kiyosaki recommends. That said, one investor can store their holdings across multiple Bitcoin addresses, and one address could represent the holdings of thousands or millions of investors. Binance's Bitcoin address. Follow us on Google News.